everyone, welcome back to my channel Rainy Creativity. So today I want to have some discussion with you, and I want you to know I have made some changes here on my channel so that when you get to see them you will not be surprised as why this, why that. Okay, so it's all about this YouTube membership. Okay, so now you notice that most of the videos are on only membership. If you're not a member, you can watch, and I'm doing this because I can't be giving all out for free for now, because I've done this for so many years, about 6 years or 7 years. I've been giving these things for you free, and if I have to keep on going like this, I can achieve some of the dreams I want to achieve concerning this head wrapping things I'm doing. Because most of you always advise me, gives me encouragement. Irene, we would love you to open your shop. Irene, we would love you to have a brand for your designs. Irene, we would love you to have a shop or a website so that we can buy this type of scarves. We can buy all the scarves you are using. And I sit down and I'm like, how am I going to do all this? Because if I have to ask about how these things could be achieved, it's very expensive, and I don't have the finance to do that. And I'm like, why? So if I have to keep on giving out for free, how would I be able to achieve? And we all know that YouTube, when you watch the videos, and depending on where your views are coming from, YouTube pay you a little bit for the views. The views too are not coming. I don't get much views on my videos, so you know that I'll have a little coins. And aside that, YouTube plays adverts on the videos, and then they pay you for the adverts they play on the videos. And most of you skip the video, the adverts. Most of you skip the adverts. The advert that will generate some small coins for me, you'll be skipping the advert as well. And I know it's not your fault, you don't know. So that one, I can't put my hope on it. And the money that keep coming, is very little, because most of my viewers are coming from Nigeria. Nigeria is topping my channel. Like 87% of the viewers that watch this channel are from Nigeria. And YouTube policies and the way the algorithm and the RPM works, if the views are coming from Africa, they pay you very little, very little. You can do your research and you understand what I'm saying. It's not that I want to say anything about Africa, but that is what it is. When your views are coming from US, Australia, Germany, foreign countries, that's where you start earning a bit higher. But when it's coming from Africa, you don't earn much. That was just by the way. Okay, I just want to give you a clue about it, because some of you will be thinking, but you get money when we watch. Yes, I'll get money when you watch, but it's very little, and I can't use that money. That money cannot be used for all the dreams and the advices that you are giving me. I won't be able to do that. I have to get a website, and getting a website, maintaining it, it's not easy, you see. And then if I have to get a shop, and then all the styles that I'm doing, I have to make it already made so that you can buy. Those that don't want to tie, or you can't tie it for some reasons, you are telling me you want already made, you want to buy. All these things, I may need money. I need money. I need money to do all of that. So it came to my notice that, okay, at first I didn't want to do it, because I remember some years time when I did it, there was some issue with some of you. Some of you were even insulting me. Oh, now look at it, we can't watch the videos for free. Now you want us to pay before we access your videos. That's not fair. I'm disappointed in you. Oh, that was really hurtful. I was really hurt. I felt like I was doing something bad. But come to think of it, it was just €5, $5 or something for a month. It's a monthly subscription, this YouTube membership. You can unsubscribe anytime you feel like, oh, today I don't have money to continue. You can always come in anytime you want. It's like a mobile phone subscription or any app subscription. You can unsubscribe anytime you want. Okay, so let's say this month you want to do it, and then the following month you're like you don't have money to finance it or to watch. You can unsubscribe, and anytime you want to come back to the subscription, you can always come back. Okay, so this small money that you pay $5, I think it's $5.99. Okay, and then you pay it for a month. You watch all the videos, the new styles, and with the membership I have to make sure some of you get it very right. So what I intend doing is, for the membership, you ask questions more. So based on your questions, I'll make a video to explain it for you to understand it better, because you have paid a little to support me, so I also have to support you in a way. I'll make time to support you in a way. But I'm not saying I'm not going to I'm not saying I'm not going to post the free ones anymore, but it's not going to be much. That's the honest truth. I'm not going to post much with the free ones. I'll be posting more with the membership one, so that at least I'll get the finance to do what I have to do with the dreams I have concerning this gift that God has given me. I have to make good use of it and then expand it. We can't go like this always. You have to hear Irene somewhere else and you'll be proud of me. I'll be proud of you as well for supporting me. So please, it's not by force. I want to say this here, it's not by force. If you really from your heart you want to support me all this while, this is the chance. Okay, and at the same time you are going to learn in details. I'm going to give you the best. Yes, so this is what I want to explain to you, so that you won't be surprised anytime you see or you come across any video of mine that you have to pay before you watch. Okay, and I had a question yesterday. Someone was like, I want to pay, but I don't want to, I'm afraid of my bank contact and blah blah blah. And I'm like, this YouTube membership, it's not, I'm not the one controlling it. Okay, I'm not the one controlling it. It's YouTube that is controlling everything, and at the end of the day YouTube would take their share and give you what they want. Okay, so I learned YouTube will take like, let's say you earn $100, YouTube is going to take 30% of it and give you 70%. So they are controlling everything, and you don't have to be afraid. It's legit. Okay, no scam, nothing. Okay, so don't be afraid that when you use your bank contacts you are going to be scammed or anything. It's YouTube that is controlling everything. I have no control. So the person was like, Irene, I want to pay apart from, give me another way that you can, the person can pay direct to me. No, it's not coming to me. When you pay it, it's with YouTube, and then YouTube will pay me monthly. They will take their share and give me monthly. Okay, so thank you for listening to me, and if you have anything else to say, you can also drop it under the comment section. That was it. So now let's do something real quick with this jersey scarf. I don't want to leave you like that, so let's do this. So this is jersey scarf and it's 2 years. Okay, so let's do this. Here's the front view. Okay, the check bell. All right, so I'm going like this, very simple. You're doing something very, very simple. And then I'll hold the side. and then I'll twist it like this, spread it at the back, hold it, okay, and then bring this one right here. And then let's spread this here. Like this. So you saw the way I did the crossing. This one is going here like this, and it's coming here, and then this one is going this way. Okay, so like this. So I want to bring this one up first, and then bring this one here. This church bell. Sorry for the noise at the background. So let's come this way. And then I want to bring this one right here, like this. Okay. And then this one, I'll tuck it in at the back here. So if you don't want to show any hair in front, just drag it in front, okay? And then you are good to go. Here's the back. Alright, so now we are going to create some cute flower with this. Just pin it up, spread it. See how cute it is? Just with just a scarf. I have transformed it right now. Alright, so that is it. I hope you love it. Let me wear my earrings. You can do it without earrings, but you know me, I always want to wear my earrings. Okay, so you can also wear it like this if you don't want flowers. Okay. If you don't want any flowers, you can also wear it like this. Very simple. I'll put this right here like this, and then bring this one up, and then take it to the back like this. Okay, so I have showed you two ways you can wrap this. Okay, I can go on and on and on, but We've already spent much time with the talking, with the explanation, okay? So watch out for the other ones that I'll be doing with my jersey scarves, okay? I have done a lot with jersey scarf, very beautiful designs. So please check the page and then see what you can do out of them, okay? All right, so that's it. Here's the back.